Hey poopers, welcome to hashtag straight poop. Got 8 ounces of ground bison. And I'm gonna flavor it because bison is very lean and it needs flavoring. I'm not using any salt. Kikkoman. That's what I'm using. And I don't need my glove for that anymore. Easy onion. Oh, tablespoon. Grind of peppers. Black pepper. Gotta have a grind. I talk about this stuff. That's what it is. Oh, yay amount. I also talk about this. Very nice. I don't like having to deal with my own lemongrass. Putting this much in. And yes, I use fresh garlic, but I like this product a lot. No, they don't advertise. Not on a per click basis where you guys click it and get it shipped to you instead of going to your grocery store and I get a half a cent for it. Nope. Not on that program, that monetization. Because I'm not here to make money on you guys. Nope. Plenty of corporations to give me money. I'm not going to ask you guys for it. Anyway, I'm going to form this guy. And then hang loose. Hang loose. I didn't forget. I didn't forget. Here it is. How dumb of me. Oh. Cannabis oil. Okay. You know what's going to be nice is because I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to put him on the grill and I'm going to top him with a piece of Texas toast. I got this handy dandy burger thing. What I did before, I went to Home Depot years ago and I got a piece of PVC pipe or a cover that goes on the end of a pipe. And it just had it was an opening like a, I don't know, like this. But it was PVC. And I used it, put tin foil in there, and formed burgers. Well, my old lady found this thing. I don't know where, but it's great because, and no, I'm not making a smash burger. I'm just getting this even. Just like so. Then you lift it like this. And I should have a burger. Hey, I got a burger. Well, you know, man. So that's going on the grill. So in the meantime, the pit's going, the fire's lit. I'll put some sort of wood on there. And I put together some charts. They're called Pro Tips from my cookbook. Why don't you take a look and join me and the dogs outside. Larry's Pro Tip. Enjoy. Hey poopers, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Got my patty on the grill. I'm leaving it here, okay? And I'm not smashing it, okay? There's too much flavor in there. You know what? I figured these companies that offer smash burgers, they don't really need to worry about USDA grades because you're smashing the hell out of it. So who cares what grade it is? It tastes the same. It's incinerated. It tastes like shit. I don't know where they came up with that idea, but that ain't a burger. That's a hockey puck. In fact, it's not even an NHL hockey puck. It's minor league. It's AHL. It's Eastern Seaboard Hockey League. That's what that is. That's what they play with that for. Smash burgers. What's next? Meatballs rolled. Eat it with raw eggs. Yeah. Anyway, enough of my rant. I got mesquite hardwood lump charcoal going. You can see that one's a rogue. He didn't go out yet. But I like cooking these medium rare, okay? So, and I don't want to burn the hell out of it. Because first of all, the meat's really expensive. Second of all, my garbage man is here. And he took all my stuff out, thank God. Now he's leaving. Thank you, Mr. Garbage Man, for the helpful audio. Yeah, so you could tell we split our time between Illinois, Michigan, and Colorado. And these Colorado garbage men, yeah, I won't say anymore. I should have just asked him if he wanted to be on the video. So anyway, yeah, this is looking good, man. While that's going, what I did was I took a couple pieces of Texas toast. Yeah, you could buy it. It's labeled Texas toast. Actually, it's white bread that's sliced like double the thickness. So I buttered it with cannabis oil, and I topped it with chives. And I'm gonna toast it just like this. Just like that. I'm gonna move him over. There you go. Just gonna toast it. Yeah. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Toast it. The burger will melt the butter. Yeah, see, it's melting already. Just don't want to burn the, no, not gonna burn it. Yeah, and by the time that's done, this burger is gonna be great. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. And let me give you a beauty shot. Hey, hey, hey! Is that perfectly toasted? You couldn't do any better in a toaster oven or in a toaster. That's our burger. Try it. It's excellent. Hey, you want our free cookbook? The link is there. Hopefully it's working. Had it up there 3 times. If not, my email address is at the description page. Email me. Say cookbook in the subject. I'll get it to you like lickety split. Okay, thanks for joining us here on #StraightPoopPoopers. My dogs love having you here. We'll see you next time. If you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose.